I think he's on, dude. Yeah, he's on! This could be a big mutton. Like, should I try some? No soy sauce. I'm just gonna go for it and I'll see. Woo! He just sucked back in the kitchen.
There you go.
A little bit, sir.
I don't see anything, I'm blinded. Yeah. So we're heading out of Key Largo right now. We got Eric.
Party boy Eric, ready to go.
Eric wants to party already. Already. So we got Tommy Z from Jupiter. We got Craig all the way from Vail, Colorado. River. Indiana, man, we got a whole mix on.
They got a whole mixed bag here already.
Yeah, so what's the game plan, Eric, since you're driving?
The game plan is we're gonna run out Tavernier and head out to the humps, look for some dolphin and some tuna.
Let's dry them off first.
Dry me off.
Dry them off, dolphin and tuna.
Time to get some AC.
Yep, let's get the AC.
Catch, cook, and clean.
Yeah.
Grab a couple dozen just so we have something just in case they're picky.
How many did you guys say? You're gonna get 3 dozen. Are they gonna get some too?
3 dozen too.
All right.
Yeah, man.
6 dozen total.
I'll take that action.
No, they're good. Oh, they're nice, Andy.
Those are nice looking baits.
They're amped up too.
Real good.
That makes 3 dozen. Call that there for good luck.
Oh, thanks, man.
I'm on camera. All right.
So Fred, where does someone go to get bait around here?
Ooh.
Where can they find you?
Oh, hold on. Oh man, you put me on the spot. Hold on.
Yeah.
90507 Old Highway.
There you
Oh,
go.
there we go.
Nice.
I'll just put that text right up on there. Some juicy looking baits.
Right on, Fred. Thanks,
Right on,
man.
Fred.
Yeah, man, of course. The Mahi bite's been pretty good. I mean, we took the bay boat out the other day and got 17 tuna in like an hour. I mean, it was just stupid.
Really? At the
At the hump, at the edge of the hump. They weren't right on the hump. They were working off it. We found one pod about 1.5 miles northeast of the hump. But I mean, there were just birds everywhere. Everywhere. You can see the birds.
That's
Then we got a little south of the hump, and they're just everywhere again. It took no time at all.
That's what we're going to be doing.
And there were some real nice weed lines. We didn't spend much time working the weed lines, but there were some real nice weed lines just northeast of the hump just coming through. So look for those too.
Cool.
Yeah,
All
man.
right. Thanks, Fred.
Thanks,
See
Fred.
you. Remember this going to topper?
I guess. Is it coming out of that machine? No, it's coming out of that one. I was gonna say.
Need that gas, man.
Hey, gas man.
Yeah. Get out to the
Bumping.
hump.
There you go. Bumping, look.
Yeah, man. Nice day. The wind's not blowing too bad.
No.
As you can tell, it's baking hot here.
Oh, yeah. Baking hot. I'm burning it up.
Hey! What's up?
Thank you for your content.
Thanks, man. Another fan encouraging me to make more videos.
More videos.
More videos.
Love the Keys.
There's your boat. I hope you catch a lot of fish today.
Yeah, hopefully. We're gonna give it hell.
All right, we got fuel, we got bait. Time to go to the Islamorada humps.
Let's go, man.
Let's get out of the way.
Are we gonna
Run into some Heiko's running into some fans.
Yeah, there's some fans back there. We've seen a couple already. Eric, are we stopping for ballyhoo or not?
I got a bag. I got one bag.
I don't know. Is it worth it?
Them live pilchers look pretty
I got
nice.
one bag of ballyhoo, probably like 10 in there.
Decision. We'll see what we do. We have made it to the humps, and it's beautiful out here. All right.
Healthy looking.
Come on, fishies, where you at? Something's got to come out of here. There might be triple tail up in here. Here, put a chunk on there.
This is a regular chunker?
Yeah, put a fat chunk on there. Get him! Bam!
There we go. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, there's so many. Let's get some rods out there.
Debo, you got a rod? One in the water? Oh,
Yeah. Yeah, just free line and keep letting it sink. These are stubborn mother fudgers. They just gotta get turned on. Oh, this one's turned on. Throw a chunk at him.
There's a whole ass pot over here, man.
With that J hook, you could probably just whip them in. Nice.
Yeah, man.
Woo.
Get it back out.
Oh, put a chunk on there. Yeah.
How big of a chunk should I put on there?
It's gonna go in the fish box here, right?
Oh, you're on. That's a good one. Chuck that guy out there.
Cool. Thank you. Keep that tip up. Tip up. Always tip up.
Yeah.
Reel up.
Woo.
No, you're not. Yeah, you go.
Oh, yeah, let's go, baby. Yeah, buddy. Keep a Mahi already.
Oh man, I get him on the
I
freaking
know, dude.
on the new gaff, on the stickum gaff.
Yeah, let's go, baby.
Bring him up.
Woo! Yeah!
Boom! You got this, man. Finesse the baby.
Jesus Christ.
Woo! He's got a run in him. Yeah, on the little toadfish rod. Light action. I should almost be in front of you instead of behind you. Let me get.
Yeah, just take your time with the gap. There we go.
There we go, yeah! Woo!
Nice! Yeah!
Good stuff. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
Pop that Mahi candy out of the Mahi pitcher.
Come on, buddy. There we go. No?
Oh, he's doing the Mahi shake. He's doing it. Ah! Oh, he's off the gaff. The hook is out. It's in my shoe. We're good to go. Woo!
Good work, man.
Heck yeah.
Awesome, River. Nice dolphin, boys. 2 keepers in the box, man. Look at the fish swimming.
on rods like this.
Yeah. I'll keep chunking.
Oh, yeah! Ricky,
Eric's on.
let's go.
Woo!
One bunch behind him, boys.
Right out there. Right out there.
Oh, beautiful.
Woo!
Mahi, Brian.
Woo! They're on too.
Whoa!
There we go.
Yeah,
Oh, there we
snap.
go. That's the hog right there.
You only got 15-pound test, so be easy to her. Oh, there's a big one over here. Yeah, that is the yellowtail rod.
Oh, man, packs.
All right, live pilchard. Live pilchard.
Come on. They're right there. You need one, Steve needs one, bro.
Tommy Z wants in on some more action.
Oh, he's coming up.
Oh, I'm on.
There we
Yeah.
go. Yeah. Get him out there.
Yeah. Yeah. The seaweed's getting tough here. Mine's all up in there.
Off the weed. Bump off the weed.
Woo!
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, bro. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, we got.
Oh, he's good. On the ice. We got 5 on the boat already.
Yeah.
What? What up, dog? Yeah. I got you.
Recognize you from there? Jesus, dude. I didn't realize you're such a legend. So we're just gonna drift some bottom bass here. Go live one on with
How the Ray's doing? We're getting closer. We can see land.
Tell them about that Mahi spot today.
Well, welcome to Key Largo, folks. Today we hit some patches off of Key Largo,
Yeah.
where we ran into some schoolie-sized mahi, dorado, or dolphin, depends on what part of the world you're in. But
Slayed them.
we enjoyed it more than the beer. We're close enough.
Tight lines always are
A lot
nice.
of fun, yeah, exactly, a lot of fun.
Put those pilchards to use.
Anytime the pole's bent over, it's a good time.
Right on.
This pilchard's about to get slammed here on the boat. Just wait for it.
We got one down, Heiko?
Yeah.
There's one down there, yeah.
All right.
Oh, baby.
Nibble.
Come on. Yo, it was on the stinger. I think it's a,
Oh, there's a Triggy McDiggy, huh?
it is a trigger.
Yeah.
Nice one, though.
Bring the net, I guess, huh?
Go.
Boom. Right on, man.
Whoop.
Yeah, killer, man. Nice, Heiko.
Sweet.
We hit to make it fold, man.
I think it's right in here.
It's missing it. Oh, dude, see. Oh, whoa.
There we go.
But it's like missing it, though. Usually it's more of a trigger. Feel him, Craig?
Yeah, I think he's on, dude. Yeah, he's on!
Get him, Craigie.
Yeah, buddy. There we go.
Oh!
Wicked.
Mr. Trigger Man or different species?
This could be a big mutton.
Tell me what we're doing.
I see the weight,
Nah,
so
you're doing good, bro.
bring the weight in.
Heiko's gonna rip that weight off.
How is it still fighting? That's what I want to know. All right, keep reeling. Reel.
Yeah, bro. Oh, dude. There he is, man. We got color. Dude, looks like a mutton, man.
Oh my God, that could be a mutton, man. Oh, what?
All right.
Well, dang, I can't. Those guys fight pretty good.
They do.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah.
Wait, what?
Grouper?
No, it's another trigger.
Good lord, man.
That was all exciting. Those things fight good,
They
huh?
fight pretty good, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, this rod's pretty beefy, you know?
Get him up. Oh, he's on the flat line. You got that one.
Okay.
There you go, Jacob.
Dude, it could be on the bottom, though, Craig.
No, that was on the flat line.
No,
Yeah, fish up there. Yeah, Doing the dance.
He's doing a damn good.
You may jump off that boat.
Whoa!
Whoa! Oh!
Yeah! Is he still on?
Oh, TZ.
no.
Yeah, let him eat.
Well, they good.
Uh,
Whoa! Oh, dude, he's right here, bro.
It's right there.
oh, there's something swiping it.
Yeah, yeah.
What'd they get?
Bonita.
Bonita.
Hey, no,
Those are still a fun catch.
Those are
They're
really
still fun
good
catch.
bottom drifting
for the
baits.
bait.
Keep them for the bait. Keep them.
Dude, could be him, bro. That's a mutton shake. The mutton shake.
We'll let him put it in our box. Take your time.
There you go. Bring her in.
Oh yeah, big trigger.
What is it?
Big
There you
trigger.
go, Frankie.
Yes, sir.
Rigger. Shall we reverse out there?
Heck yeah, man. That's how you do it right there.
So refreshing, dude.
Home sweet home.
No doubt.
Where the Mahi at?
Mahi, bro.
Heiko caught a fish too. We gave him one. We gave him a trigger
Heiko's
fish.
Triggy.
He's a trigger slayer.
Yeah, these lobster are decent too. It's the one I got right there, little boy.
Yeah, that's what I hustled out, huh?
Yeah.
I know. I was like, what a beauty. Yeah, that's what I
Nice one,
Gaffy there. That's the biggest one today.
Here you go, Rev.
Yeah, Rev.
Where's your phone at?
Woo! Yeah, man. There you go. The Berkeley's getting it done.
There we go.
There you go.
Look at that gaff job.
Biggest fish I ever caught. Get by the boat.
Yeah, man, awesome, dude. Beautiful
Don't
fish.
fall in on the boat.
Beautiful fish.
Oh yeah. Pull it out.
Turn it this way.
Point the head. There you go.
Let's do a little surgery on this guy.
Yeah, hold him towards the camera. A little tighter. Yep, perfect. 1, 2, 3.
Little cow, huh?
1, 2.
I mean, dude, I'm not going to be honest with you guys. I'm not like the most epic fillet guy, man, but, you know,
Will you just send this to Jacob?
I've been recruited to do it, so we're going to do it, man.
Just throw him in there.
Man, that was a lot of fun catching this dude right here.
Yeah.
You had a great fight, man.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
was
he did.
epic. He had a couple good jumps in him too.
Yeah, you got a good gaff on him though.
It does
Good
slide.
fight,
You got a nice
man.
knife,
Good
bro.
fight.
And they're iced up, you know. Definitely helps.
Yeah, yeah.
Picture me and Jacob over here.
Yep.
I mean, dude, you can see it, man. It's good meat, man.
Oh yeah.
This is the the one that Wormy's knife, or
That's what.
oh, holy chocolate milk.
Wow.
Gnarly.
He's been eating,
Hey, give me a little spray on that hosey.
he's been eating a little fish.
A little blaster. Yeah. Oh, look at that. He's got all kinds of stuff, Heiko.
Z-Man.
Whoop.
Little splash.
What you got in there? Oh, he gets some
So
little.
there's like little
Got
fish.
big lobster there, man.
Just let the knife do its thing. Dear me.
Be the knife.
Be the knife.
Be the knife. Come on, be the knife.
Slab you a dolphin, bro. I mean, not too bad, huh, Heiko?
A lot of good fish right there,
It's
boys.
gonna be Lazy Lobster up tonight.
Oh yeah, Lazy Lobsters are gonna get this fish right.
Wow. That's just only one.
To the crabs.
They're stoked, dude.
There's a ton of snapper down there.
Yeah, what do you got? You got a couple. The lobster queen's back? Yeah. No way. Dude, look at all those little fish, dude. Heiko. Out of that dolphin, bro. Bizarre. That looks like the bait we saw on those weeds, you know?
They look like, dude, these look like little trigger fish, like baby trigger fish.
Amazing, dude. That thing had a lot of shit in it, man.
Doesn't that look like baby trigger fish?
Yeah, for sure, man. I mean, dude, look at that. They're all, look at that, dude. That's a shrimp, baby. Man, look at all the food that thing had in them. You know the rinse her? Yeah, there you go. You guys charged it again today?
Literally one.
Yeah.
Oh, Craig, is that boat clean yet?
Woo! Cleaned up for me, bro.
They like to clean here in the Contender shop. Old OCDs here on the boat.
What's good, man? A clean boat's a happy boat.
Where? I'll take that hose.
Yeah,
Is there another hose over here?
You want a truly?
Yeah, I'll take it truly. Or a Corona.
Z-Man,
Oh,
how do you
yeah.
light, bro?
Yeah, I found it. Thank you. I found it, bro. This stuff makes great fish tacos too, you know? I feel like this fish taco take a little bit later.
I've been on like fried. I really like fried.
Oh, dude, you man, my snook nuggets, man. Oh, those are so good. Birds are stoked.
The way I do with these Mahi, I run it down the middle like this.
Yeah,
Like that.
right? Oh, I got you, man.
And
I've
then
seen that, dude. Yeah. Got you, man. Way through the skin, dude.
this one had caviar in it too.
No way.
Debating if I should eat some. Have you ever ate this stuff raw?
Ah, no, man. I don't know if I'd like it, dude. Jay,
It's not that bad. I was just tasting some of these eggs. Come in and get this shot here. So these are Mahi eggs, or Mahi roe. Is that what you
Yeah,
call
probably. Yeah, looks like some roe.
them? Some
Like
good roe.
caviar stuff or something, man.
And I was like, should I try some? Because I like this stuff cooked.
A lot of people like it, yeah. It's a delicacy some places. Any soy sauce?
No soy sauce. I'm just gonna go for it, and I'll see. It would have been really good with soy sauce, but that was just straight. I think there was a little bit of Mahi blood on there, so it just tasted like blood. Note to self: raw Mahi eggs, use soy sauce. Don't eat it raw. I'm just feeling up in his stomach. There's something up in here. Look at that. Pretty sure that's the pilchard that we caught him with.
Beautiful bait.
Good bait, we can use that again. We'll refreeze it. Saving money, one pilchard at a time.
Dude, that's my cooler!
It's your cooler.
I was wondering where that was. That's crazy, dude. That's my dad's. I borrowed it from that from my pops, man. Put that back in the car, man. No way, dude. I'll be hungry for that thing. It was my car.
I was wondering about that. Like, where the hell's the cooler at?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Anything really.
We got the bag of Mahi.
All good, all good.
You know those guys? Because they're at your table. Okay, good. All right.
Your student loans are past due, Tommy Z.
Perfect.
I have Heiko do this.
That's not a white wine though.
No, it's a red. I'll do the red.
That's
Oh,
for
that's
Eric.
Eric's red.
That's Eric.
Oh, Eric gets to take.
Eric's a
I like ready too. Eric's on that ready?
with the red one.
There you
Wow,
go.
man.
I like the red.
I'm a ready, dude.
Hey boys, it's an amazing day on the water. Scouted, found him, got him out of there, man. Nice job today, guys.
On the
Fish dip.
Wow.
Old Captain Fish Dip right here.
You had the fish dip last time.
I did. I love the fish dip. Conch fritters.
Oh, conch fritters.
Damn, you guys went off the rizzle,
This is the
McGizzle,
important
man.
thing.
Well, I'm gonna try some of that.
Got it.
Yummy.
Wasabi encrusted tuna.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
Eric, you're the one that told me about this.
This is the best you will ever have right here. Do you agree?
I agree.
All right.
It's a pretty heavy statement.
No.
No,
But,
not
hey,
even a heavy statement.
No, but I'm
promise
a
you.
believer now too. Goes good with that
I promise you this is the best.
tuna. I'm looking forward to trying that triggerfish and definitely that Mahi, bro.
Oh my god.
I mean, Fugazi.
Oh,
Fugazi.
man.
That's pretty
Wow.
so good, right?
And I'm not a big fan of that, and that's good.
And you got this
I'm
sauce
a
right
fried
here.
fish kind of chowing dude, but that's
So
pretty good.
It's so good.
Wow.
We're about to cook inside of Lazy Lobster. We're about to see the actual kitchen. Is your finger in front of this thing? There we go. I've never been in the kitchen before. We gotta go inside.
All right. Let's do it.
Welcome. Alright, we legit have to do this now. Alright, lead us.
Leave us, they say. Or lead us?
Ew.
Chef Oscar. Chef Oscar.
Alright. Take your time, do whatever you need to do.
I know you guys have the lobster process.
We got the lobster. Oh yeah, Eric Norma.
Oh,
There we go.
Norma's the server.
That's you, Eric. Mahi and triggerfish.
Trigger fish. Alright, so we're gonna do 2 lobsters, the Diablo.
Yeah, Heiko.
We're about to cook up some Mahi and some triggerfish. Oh
boy!
Oh nice, they're cut right down the middle. Boom, that's fancy.
What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the meat out.
Okay, yeah. Oh, just like that? Get a close up of that. That's
Then
just pull the meat right out.
I'm gonna put the shells in the steam.
Okay. Oh, and then you put the meat back in the shells?
Yes, and we're gonna do this meat with shrimp and scallops and pepper, mushrooms, onions, and a little bit of spicy marinara.
Wow.
The preparation with this called fried Diablo style.
Fried Diablo. So they're gonna cook the shell and then put the meat back into the shell with other crustaceans.
The shells,
The shells are gonna get steamed up in there, get real nice and probably turn red.
we have this sponge.
Oh yeah, okay. Cut the meat up.
I gotta get my fry pans ready to go.
This lobster Diablo is ready to go.
Couple shrimp.
Oh snap, shrimp
Few scallops.
and scallops. What? Look at these scallops, they're huge.
No, I can.
Seasoning, a little bit of salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper, alright. And something else that they won't disclose.
Chili flakes.
Oh, okay.
Peppers.
Wow.
Onions.
Look at these onions and peppers.
Little bit pimiento.
I mean,
That's a lot for just an appetizer, right?
And now we're gonna roast a little bit of fresh garlic.
Oh yeah, fresh garlic in there.
And then
Is that Diablo sauce?
and a whole egg marinara sauce.
that looks so good.
You see all the steak down?
Oh, snap.
We put the steak back in the show.
You did amazing. What the heck is going on here?
Look at that.
That's like a 5-star.
That's going to be your appetizer. And
Dude, look at these lobsters.
I'm loving that. Let me see them with hot go.
Wow, beautiful, man. Amazing. How'd you sneak back in
I just
here?
had to come in and see
He
what's
just
going
snuck
on,
back
man.
in the kitchen.
Thank you,
That's
Chef.
how beautiful it is.
Yeah, dude.
Whoa, maybe it's that one.
Wow.
Yeah, they gave.
That's mine, bro. That thing's a longer, dude.
I can't ask for anything better. I'm out on a boat in beautiful clear water, catching all kinds of fish and lobster with friends. What else can you ask for?
Love it.